Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's Vlogmas video, we have another collaboration, and this time I have a shoe that I want to show you guys. And thank you so much to Tidelocker for sponsoring today's video. I have a shoe unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited because these are the most adorable yet comfortable shoes that I have that's actually a designer brand. So yeah, if you guys are interested and want to see what shoes I recently picked up, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so y'all know the deal. You know, if you don't enjoy these type of videos, if you don't support these type of videos, I 100% understand. I advise you to click up out of here as quickly as you can, because if you come in my comments saying anything crazy, you will be blocked. Okay, so yeah, I understand that this is not going to be for everyone. This type of video is not for everyone, and that is 100% okay. I advise you to do whatever you want with the money that you make, and I will do whatever I want with the money I make. These actual shoes were sent to me, so I didn't pay for them, but I am here to talk to you guys about them and about the quality. So as you can see, you see what company they are from. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and in here it does come with the tissue paper, and it also comes with a dust bag. Now, here's one of my gripes with certain companies. I have worked with a few different companies in the past. This is a newer company for me. What am I supposed to do with one bag? Can someone tell me that? I'm not sure. Also, there's no drawstring in here. So once you see the shoes, you'll know that they're not even gonna fit in here. So I'm not exactly sure what I was supposed to do with that. But the shoes actually came inside of a plastic bag, which I'm okay with. I'm going to be tossing that anyway. I don't remember if it came with any like paperwork or anything like that. I can't remember. I don't see any in the box. And I have got a couple packages from a few different companies, and I kind of tossed a lot of my paperwork in the garbage, so I don't remember. But I do want to just go ahead and show you the shoes. And these are the shoes. So this is what they look like. So they kind of give you like the Croc vibes, right? And these are, you know, what they look like. They have a nice platform shoe on it. It is like, it's kind of like rubber, like it gives you like that rubbery feel like Crocs do, but these have a smooth insole. It doesn't have like those ridges that Crocs do. I am going to insert a picture of me trying these on, showing you how they look on my feet. Now right now they're gonna look a little crazy because I have on leggings, and these actually look a little bit big on my feet. I think I got a size 36. Yes, I got a size 36. That's supposed to be like a 6 US, if I'm not mistaken. But they still look like a little big on my feet. I usually get a 36 in all of my designer luxury shoes, and I usually have no problems with them, whether they're sandals or slides or anything like that. So this is not my first pair of designer shoes. I actually have a few pairs of actual like luxury shoes, and I was actually looking into purchasing these. I had them in my cart, like from the actual website. I had them in my cart, and then this company reached out to me and they were asking me, you know, were there any shoes that I wanted? And I browsed a few on their site, and I was like, you know what, this is going to be the most convenient pair of shoes designer wise that I get, because I would wear these on an everyday basis. Now, like I said, right now I have on leggings, but I will wear these with jeans, probably like a little bit more bigger, baggier jeans, just so I can kind of cover this shoe a little bit more, because I'm very petite. I am 4'11", so I'm pretty short, and my feet aren't big really for my height, but these look big on my feet. So, you know, I would probably just wear these mainly with jeans or something like that. I don't know that I would wear these with leggings, because I don't really love the way that they look with the leggings, but I love these shoes. Now I have worn these shoes in the house. I haven't worn them out yet, but I have worn these like in the house to wear them for a couple hours just to, you know, try them on, see how they feel on my feet. These feel amazing. They feel so good. They honestly feel way better than my Crocs that I have, because I actually have on some Crocs right now. My Crocs have these like little ridges in the inside of it. So if you're not wearing socks, like you can feel that on your feet, where in the inside of here, it is completely smooth, and they honestly feel amazing. It doesn't feel like I'm going to topple over or anything like that, because some people are afraid that when they get a thicker heel that they can trip and fall. Just be careful. You can trip and fall in Crocs. So, you know, I have tripped a few times in my Crocs, but compared to like the size of my Crocs, do you see how big they look? Like they just look really, really big. So honestly, I probably could have went a size down in these and it probably would have made them look a little bit better, but I wasn't sure because I was looking at the size, and like I said, this is my normal size, but I just think this shoe probably just runs big. So if I were to get these again, I would definitely size down, either a full size or half a size. I don't know if they do which size they do, but the shoe itself is really, really nice. Now the material of this is like a rubber material. So now that I have these, I would not pay retail for these, and I have seen these in a store before and they look identical. Like these are exactly how they are made, with the space gapping and everything. So yeah, my only thing is, like I said, the size for me, I wish I would have got a smaller size, but they are super, super comfortable. They smell amazing. It doesn't have that weird smell. I have had some things from Over the Border that has like a weird chemical smell. These smell normal. They don't have any harsh smell or anything like that, so you won't get any crazy smell. And like I said, they feel amazing. So I'm super, super grateful for Tidelocker for sending me these. So yeah, like I love these. And I would highly, highly recommend them. I will have everything linked in the description bar if you guys are interested in purchasing these or purchasing any type of shoes from their website. I have a discount code for you guys if you are interested. And yeah, guys, that is it. I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas day. Bye, guys.